Welcome to FluidMath. Let's start by getting you started. Up at the top of your screen is this little plus button that allows you to either be able to join class or create a class. Your students will begin by joining a class and you will begin by creating a class. Simply follow the directions and click Create. At this point, you are ready to create your very first FluidMath document. Begin by opening up the FluidMath app. And odds are you already have something ready to go. It can be a PDF or an image, and one of my options are simply to drag and drop it from a desktop. And I'm going to scale this down to 70% so it fits on my screen nicely. You can also drag and drop it from your File Explorer, or if you would like to click Insert, you can import an image or a PDF from here. It also takes GIFs, by the way. Now, this is a very cluttered, tight page. I would like to spread things out so my kids have all the space in the world that they need to write on. This is an endless whiteboard, so it allows me to be able to do that. I'm going to click on cutouts, and I'm going to select just a few things from this page. You may have noticed that I'm cutting out each question individually. That is because I want to be able to spread this out in a way that works well for my students. So when I click Clip, notice how much cleaner my page is, but also now I can resize this so that my students actually do have the space that they need to be able to answer the questions. At this point, it's a good time to save. In the drop-down arrow, I can save this for the very first time, and I can save it either as an individual or as a collaborative document. Individual means that every person gets their own copy, and collaborative means that me and my students or my coworkers can jump on the same document with me. When I'm ready, click Save. Now it's time for me to share it. If I am using the FluidMath system under the three dots, I can send it to my classroom. If I'm going to share this in a system outside of FluidMath, I have a URL that allows me to share it. You are now all ready to go with your very first document. Be sure to reference the other resources to learn more.